Hey guys, welcome back to another helpful video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to delete Netflix on phone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to delete your Netflix on phone, you just simply have to tap into the application and it will directly show the option of uninstall into here. Just simply tap into that uninstall button and your Netflix will be deleted. But if this option is not working, you just simply have to open the Play Store application into your device and then search for Netflix into here. And then after searching the Netflix, just simply open this Netflix application and it will give you the option of uninstall. Just simply tap into that uninstall button and click to uninstall again in order to confirm. Then after doing this, your Netflix will successfully be uninstalled from your device. By following these very easy steps, you can easily delete your Netflix on phone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.